In this video we are going to be analysing Meta, ticker Meta. So to get straight into it, what are we paying attention to going forward? So again, on the left we have a 6 month, on the right we have a 1 year chart. What are we paying attention to? So what is quite close and definitely be a thing to be paying attention to is the gap fill at 129, basically $130. Obviously we did do a gap here on earnings, pushed quite far down. Really good buying opportunities down here. Was posted on the channel. We definitely hit the investments quite heavy here. We're still holding them now. We're up a good, I think 20+% on this say trade. It's more of an investment, probably just hold them longer term, but definitely got some good trades there. If we can break higher, obviously we've hit kind of this low, and that's why we're getting a bit of hesitation, but really would expect that break through this 124 and a continuation to at least 130. Now 130 I would be a bit more hesitant. The first time we hit this level, I will be looking at it short bias from a trading perspective. Really could be like a few day swing, or maybe even just an intraday day trade. When we hit that and fill that gap, would expect it to pull back, because again, that's usually what a gap fill is. It comes back to kind of fill the kind of something you just don't see in the market often, where there's been no trades at that price. It usually comes back to fill it and then continues the direction it originally was in. So that's what I'd be paying attention to from a swing perspective. But now if we can break that level and we break above it, because again on that you're not having a big probably stop. The furthest I would have my stop is above this level. Again, that's 8 points. Probably wouldn't even have it that wide. Literally I'd be looking for maybe a 3 point max at a stop. Because again, if it doesn't work right away, it's probably not going to work at all. So you don't really need a massive stop on that. And again, you can just get some good risk to reward. But now if we start to break that, we continue up. We get stopped out on that potential trade. Then coming into 138 and 153. These are short bias opportunities. The first time we hit these levels, looking to trade it short, because it is our first deviation on the 6 month and the 1 year. If we come back to retest that level, then I'm waiting for that break, come back to test it as a support, and then I'm looking at it long bias then. Now this level I do really like, especially the 138, because obviously then it's filled that gap. So if it's not continuing down, we kind of already know that now. And then we've obviously got that kind of key pivotal previous resistance as a level, and obviously our statistical mean. So that level should just be quite strong in general. So definitely something I'm paying attention to. Now, if we break both of those levels and continue higher, we do have further resistances at 172, 207, 217, and obviously we do have levels going higher, but really not too much point covering those as of now, because if we hit these upper levels, we'll have a new video out by then. Now though, onto the support side, what are you paying attention to? If we kind of fill this gap, start continuing down, we do have statistical means at $103 and $90. So I would be paying attention to this. Again, the first time we kind of come to these levels, if I was holding it short, that would be a target, but I wouldn't be looking to hold past this level. The reason for that is, again, it is statistical mean. This is fair value. So this is where you expect the stock to reverse to, and that's why we look to trade to it, but not off of it. If we do, though, however, break this, we break our 52-week low, then I'll be looking at some long bias trading opportunities at $70. If we break that, again, that's probably going to be the key one, because that's just so far off from where we are now. Would be a good opportunity, but if for any reason we did break that, we do have some strong supports at $35 and $27, but again, unlikely that we push to those kind of lows. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video.